Hey howdy folks, it's Virtual Schmeed joining you guys for 2021. Because we are in a new year, that means we have a new semester. Because we have a new semester, that means we have a new Schoology class. Because we have a new Schoology class, that means we need to make a new OneNote notebook and transfer the old stuff from our first semester notebook into our second semester notebook. We're kind of in the middle of a topic on atoms and radiation, and we don't want to lose the work that we've already done from first semester. So this video is about getting your new notebook set up, getting it pinned so that you can easily find it, and transferring the materials from first semester to second semester so that you have all of those lovely notes and things that you've done for later. So first thing we actually need to do is go to Schoology, everybody's favorite. So all of your first semester courses should have archived. It's not really easy to see those anymore. So here you should see all of your second semester courses. You can tell because it'll say something like semester 2 right there. And for this video, I'm going to pretend that I am a student in Mr. Coons' 8th period chemistry class. So this is the second semester chemistry class for Mr. Coons. Not much on here yet, and I just want to go to the OneNote class notebook, just like you guys are used to for opening our notebooks from before. When you see a page like this, it's probably going to ask you to log in, so make sure that you do log in using your school account, and you shouldn't see something blank like this. I don't know why I do. I think it's because I'm a teacher and I have slightly different views. You should see something more like this, where you see something, it says, hey, a notebook's been created for you. There should be something to click on here, like open your class notebook or find your notebook or something like that. So I'm going to open my class notebook. And it's more than likely going to open it up in the OneNote online version, which is not a very good or powerful version. So what I need to do is actually get this open in the desktop app so that I can do what I need to do with moving my old material to my new OneNote notebook. So up here, you should see somewhere along the top bar, open in desktop app, and that is exactly what I want to do. I'm going to open this in the desktop app. You might get an option to choose how you want to open it. I'm going to use OneNote 2016 and Windows 10. It doesn't really matter which one you're using. Either desktop OneNote 2016 or desktop Windows 10 will work just fine. OneNote Online does not work very well. So I'm going to open it in OneNote 2016, or it might have opened in Windows 10 for you like this. The versions look pretty similar, and I'm going to show you how to use both. Okay, so what I just did is I opened up the Semester 2 8th period notebook, and all you're really going to see in there is Unit 3, Unit 4, and it's going to be blank. You got to put some stuff in. So what I'm going to do is navigate to my original notebook from first semester. In this case, it's just Mr. Coons' period 8 chemistry notebook, not the semester 2 one, but the original one. Looks pretty similar in the in the 2016 version. I'm going to open up my original from first semester. And from first semester, I'm going to make sure that I click on my name so that I'm not looking in the content library, but I'm looking specifically in my section of the notebook. In the 2016 version, it's up at the top instead. So I want to make sure that I'm not looking in the content library, but rather at my name here. Well, all you really need to transfer is Unit 2. That's the unit that we're in the middle of. If you want to move your Unit 1 and Unit 0 stuff, you can, but all you really need to transfer is your Unit 2 material. So I'm going to right-click on that, and then go to move/copy. I don't want to move it, I do want to copy it. So I'm going to go to move/copy, and you might have a big list of notebooks here, but you're looking for the Semester 2 new notebook. So there's the Semester 2 Coons 8th Chemistry. I'm going to click again on my name so that it goes into me, and then I'm just going to click on my name and go to copy. Similar thing if you're in the OneNote 2016 version. I'm going to click up here on Unit 2, move or copy, and I'm going to find the new notebook. I have a pretty big list. Semester 2, Coons 8th hour, and I'm again going to put it into my name. So once you're done with that, you can go into the Semester 2 Coons 8th Chemistry. It might take a little while to sync. We're used to that, but if you go into your Unit 2, all the work that you had from Unit 2 from first semester should still be there. Okay, a couple more things to make sure that OneNote is going to be useful for us this semester. Either using the OneNote 2016 version or the OneNote Windows 10 version is going to work great. Either version works good. The online version doesn't work as good. To easily access these, I think it's easier if you go down to the bottom here and pin them. So on the bottom icons here, if you right click on it and hit pin or unfriend pin from taskbar, mine's unpinning, I'm going to repin it. You can do that with either the 2016 version or the Windows 10 version, pin to taskbar. Now, when you go to open it up, you can just open up OneNote here. However, you also have to make sure that you are logged into OneNote via Schoology. This notebook is created in Schoology and it is connected to Schoology. You won't be able to see stuff in this notebook. You won't be able to sync new items. So when your teacher's telling you to look at the thing and you don't see it, it's probably because you're not logged in on Schoology. So I have pinned it here, and every time I want to access my notebook, it's kind of a pain, but I have to go back and make sure that I am logged into Schoology here. Should look something more like this. If it says log in, and then it will let you actually go back to these and sync your work in your notebook. I think that's going to be it for me today, folks. OneNote is going to be powerful for us this semester, and I will see you guys later. Virtual Schmied.